Fine Apple Pineapple Foil Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish. Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple foil pineapple design, and it's all done with foil like I said, which makes it really fast and really easy, and it's just so metallic and it catches the light so well, so it looks amazing outside if you have any sunlight. Currently we're in the middle of like a 10-day rain fest where I live, so this is like a brief moment of not raining, still cloudy, still kind of gross outside, but at least it's not dripping wet. Which is awesome because somebody doesn't like thunderstorms. So she gets a little cranky. So it's gonna be a long week, isn't it? Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys like this design, and I'm going to be using some rhinestones from Banggood, and they're having their anniversary sale. So I just was going to let you guys know that, and I'll put links to everything in the description box below, so check that out, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well. So here's that wheel that I mentioned. It's actually really quite large, and all of the chambers hold in the different colors very well. I know sometimes with rhinestones like this I get pretty upset because the wheels aren't tight enough and the rhinestones get mixed up in there, and yeah, it's a kind of a hassle. But those ones, that's not the case. So on the ring nail I'm going to begin. I painted a little stripe of, or a little bit of that foil glue in the shape of my oval for my pineapple near the tip. I'm going to press down the foil after the foil glue has dried completely, so that's the gold foil. Then I'm going to take my little foil brush and I'm going to very carefully paint my leaf shape. Let that dry and then press in some kind of reflective, fancy looking green foil. And then with black paint, I'm going to make my little crosshatch pattern going across my pineapple. So just make lines in one direction, then in the other direction, then add a scalloped outline around it. The really nice thing is that your foil shape probably won't be perfect at this point, but you can touch it up with a little bits of outlines. Then add a little sketchy looking outline around your little pineapple leaves. Then on your middle and pinky nails, I'm going to be adding a gold foil stripe. So cut a thin piece of foil that's the thickness you want your stripe to be. Then paint foil glue down the center of the nail. After that's dried, then you can just press that stripe of foil down the center, and you know that's going to be a perfect stripe, which is just such an awesome technique that I don't know why I didn't think of. I'm sure everybody's been doing it for a long time, but I just saw this recently and I was like, oh, that's awesome. So then I'm going to be outlining my nail with a thin black line. Outlining nails is one of my absolute favorite things to do. I think it makes everything just look so clean. And then I'm going to be putting a little bit of glue at my cuticle and attaching 3 rhinestones, 1 dark green and 2 light green, right across the top, just like that. And like I said, I'm actually really impressed with this rhinestone wheel just because there's a couple more colors in it that I haven't had before, like that lighter shade of green. Then on my index nail, I'm going to be writing fine apple in 2 lines. So I'm going to start with the N and then the E for the fine in the top half of my nail. So then I'm going to be adding the I and the F in front of that, just like that, and then write apple below. So then I'm going to start with the P because that is, or the first P because that's the center. So P, or the second P is in the center, not the first one. I got this, I promise. So, and then at the first P in front of that one, write the A in front of that, and then go back through and add LE on the end. And you really can do this either way. You can add it, you can go forwards or backwards or however you like it. I like to start in the middle and work my way out because that way there's a much better chance of everything being in the center. Apply a layer of top coat and you are all done. Like I said, very easy, very quick design, something that is just, it's eye-catching, but it's not that time consuming. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and don't forget to share any recreations with me on Facebook or Instagram. I would love to see them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!